Welcome to Crypto Tech Viewers. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems and making an educated price prediction for the next day after analyzing global markets data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. As we clearly called out yesterday, today's trend is going on the sideways. And I'm expecting that this sideways to be continuing for tomorrow as well. So it's just trading around 30k. Right, if we could see in the one-day chart, we can clearly see there is a dragonfly doji formation, so that is a slight positive sign. If we could review the Nasdaq price movement yesterday, it was able to cross above this previous day's high and they had put on another green candle. So if the price can have cross above this particular cluster of candles, so it can put a positive sentiment in the weekly. Actually, if you could see the weekly itself, this is a bullish in a hammer actually. So we can clearly see it went, this was a bearish candle. Obviously this week is hugely volatile, and then if it is a positive thing, if it becomes a positive hammer, then it is even more powerful. But it is a slightly negative hammer, but still it is a signal that this is signaling that a significant bottom is made for now. Yeah, so that's a positive thing. So in the next week, if it can open here and then go above, then this may be a significant bottom for in the weekly time frame. That will certainly reflect in the Bitcoin as well. Yeah, okay, so that's the one thing which I wanted to call out in this video. So if we could review other technical picture of the Bitcoin, so it made an attempt again to cross above this S4. It got rejected twice, twice, and then it's now at the moment consolidating around here. So if there are no fresh bad news coming, so it has to just consolidate as such, around 30,000 itself. Right, so as we clearly called out in the Fibonacci retracement, so it's playing between these two lines, and then and they expected to continue the same actually, right, 23.6% to the recent swing low. Yeah, so it has to continue around this level if there are no fresh side news, fresh bad news, sorry. So if it is see this one, this is the anchored VWAP. We have been those who are regularly watching the video knows it actually. So this one this 2 standard deviation of a particular VWAP. So this is just 2 standard deviation of this VWAP, and this is a 2 standard deviation of this VWAP, right? So this will act as a band support and resistances actually. See, and then we can clearly see it got stuck here. I mean twice it faces stiff resistance around this line. Right, that also played out according to our trading system. Right, so if you could review this EMA ribbon, so it's now trading below all these EMAs, but the MACD is looking slightly positive, and yeah, if there are no fresh news, this should continue for tomorrow as well. Right, so if we could review this weekly chart, so weekly is RSI is trading little below 40. ADX is not showing any kind of a strength. It just shows a sideways move, and it has just trying to bounce out of this particular box. If Nasdaq is becoming green next week, then that will bring back Bitcoin prices to around 32 and above actually. Yeah, chances are there, but it's a remote chance only. Yeah. If we could review the Bitcoin options open interest data for 15th May, we can clearly see the 30,000 is the around which Bitcoin may trade for tomorrow. 31,000 will be a stiff resistance, and 29,000 may be a pretty decent support, but 28,000 is a strong support. I'm expecting Bitcoin to revolve around 30,000 for tomorrow as well. Thanks all for watching. That's all for the video today. See you all in the video tomorrow.